Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to activate Z-League account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Now before you get started, the very first thing that you have to do first is make sure that you're currently running up the latest version of Z-League. Just head directly to Google Play Store or wherever you downloaded the application and make sure that the update option is not going to be visible. If it is, just simply tap on update and it will automatically update by itself. Next thing you want to do is of course access the application and just head over to your user profile, which is going to be located at the top right portion of your screen. You simply tap on that. Now activating your Z-League account is very easy. All you have to do is scroll down and complete all these fields right here. Like your avatar, you'll have to set up one. Now, all the information needed from personal info needs to be filled out. Everything needs to be filled out. And you'll have to set up a payment method, set up your own username, confirm your email and password, turn on notifications, and that's it. So that's basically how you can activate Z-League account. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.